Hey Disney friends! Today we are going to be opening some surprise packs that Dan left for me and Eva. First we wanted to show you, so sometimes Dan leaves us the days of Disney or Disney days. So we had one today and it is Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room series Wishables. Super cool, so he'll leave one a day. So today we got Jose. He's really cool. Here, Eva likes him. Also, I'm wearing that shirt that we got in the last haul from the Disney store in Queens Center Mall. I'll link that video in the description down below if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, so you can watch it and see all the cool stuff. Also, he went back to that Disney store today, and it's up to 50% off. And we will do another haul video in the coming days, so watch out for that. So let's see the Disney surprises that we have. So the first one is for actually Disney Eva. Wow, Eva got her very own surprise pack of Disney Doorables. Cool. You want to open this one, Eva? So these are plushes that you can get, Mickey, Minnie, or Daisy it looks like, and they're 10-inch plush. Ooh, I think we got Mickey! Wow! I can't believe they shoved the whole thing in that little box. So he's got this giant head and this little body. He is so cute. Eva, what do you think? What do you think of him? Do you like him? He's cool. Wow. Awesome. So next up we have is for me, Disney V, and it is Disney Doorables. So he wrote on it, it's exclusive from Amazon, 2020 Mickey monthly release. And it's a Disney Doorable. There's 8 exclusive figures. Let's look on the back. So you can get the band leader, the Tiki, the train engineer, the Technicolor, a bonus, Fantasia, Bronze, Mouseketeer, or Steamboat Willie. Cool. Okay, so we got, let's count how many. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we got 8. So let's open them and see which ones we got. We got, let's see, is he on there? Mouseketeer, cute. Next up, Steamboat. Yep, Steamboat Willie. Ooh, what's this guy? Tiki. Very cool. You guys know I love my Tiki stuff. He's awesome. Band leader. Technicolor. Bronze. Fantasia. And train engineer. Cool. I definitely like that you get the whole set in there. It's cool that they also offer the bonus, which we didn't get, but that's fine. These are really cool. And then, oh, the bonus figure is Topiary, but we didn't get it. So just to show you guys. Awesome. Wow. We got some cool stuff today, Eva. And then the last thing that Dan left us is for Disney V. It is Doorables Princess. Cool. We got so many Doorables today, Eves. So let's see. So it looks like these come with all 8 too. So there's Mulan, Cinderella, Jasmine, Snow White, Tiana, Ariel, Aurora, and Belle, and then a mystery. So 8 figures. We're gonna open it up. These punch boxes are difficult. So it looks like this. Okay, so we got 8 figures. Let's take a look at them. First up is Ariel. Cool. Next, Tiana. Ooh. Which one's next, Eva? Aurora. She's really pretty. Mulan. Jasmine. Belle, and some of them have sparkles on them. See how Belle is all sparkly? That's cool. Looks like their crowns are sparkly. Snow. Am I missing one? Yep, here it is. You know she's my favorite that we're missing. Here we go. Cindy. Very cool. I definitely like that Doorables have put out these packs where you can get, like, you know what you're getting, and like Princess and Mickey, and we'll see what else they come out with. So the bonus figure would have been Rapunzel. That's fine. These princesses are super cool. And the last thing I wanted to open with you guys was from that Disney Store haul that I did. Again, description down below in case you guys didn't see it. Of these key pins. So let's see what we got. We bought 2 boxes because they were 40% off at the time. And like I said, now the store is down to 50%. So we got Tigger. I don't think we have this one. That's cool. And last one. And again, this is like the original set. The Minnie, Toy Story, Mickey, Star Wars, Donald, and Tigger. This one. Donald. I think we might have Donald. To double check. Alright, that's all that me and Eva have for you guys today. We hope you enjoyed today's video. We enjoyed sharing all of our finds with you. If you guys are not subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, hit that bell notification icon for to know when me and Eva put out some new videos. What do you guys think is the coolest thing that we got today? I really like the Mickeys. I think they're really cool. They're very different because I feel like we don't have any Mickey Doorables except for like maybe 2. So it's really cool. And obviously the princesses I love. So leave me a comment. Let me know what is your favorite find. And have a magical week, guys. Bye.